Today we are going to unbox Raspberry Pi 4 Kenna Kit. I'm going to show you how to set it as a desktop computer. Let's start. This kit has two HDMI cables to use it in a double monitor setup. It comes with a 64GB micro SD card preloaded with noobs. And it has a USB-C power supply. We got the Raspberry Pi 4 computer unit, which comes with 4GB RAM, but we can add it up to 8GB RAM. And this is the Kenna Kit Raspberry Pi 4 case. This case can be detached and we can assemble the Raspberry Pi and attach it again. It includes low noise bearing fan. It also includes USB-C switch to on and off power for Raspberry Pi. Yeah, that's all we have. Now let's go ahead and set this up. To keep the temperature under control, we have attached the heatsink on the main processor and to the DDR4 memory, also to the USB controller chip. This is the power supply port. These two are the HDMI port. We have one audio port as well. And here we have the USB ports. So this is for the USB 3.0 and this is for the USB 2.0. This is the network cable. On the other side, we have the slot for micro SD card. So the micro SD card goes in here. So this fan has two wires, red and black. We need to leave the first slot and plug in the red and black wire in the second slot. This is the switch. The switch should be connected to the power supply port. And then the power supply should be connected to the switch, so that the power can be controlled by the switch. The micro HDMI port can be connected to one of the HDMI ports. So we can directly keep this Raspberry Pi here. Keep this fan here. Here is the Raspberry Pi. Let's connect the Raspberry Pi to electrical point. Okay, now we are going to connect the Raspberry Pi HDMI to the monitor. So now we are going to turn on the power supply switch. Looks like it is booting up. And now it's loading the Raspbian OS. Okay, so now we are going to connect the keyboard and mouse because now we are not able to access anything. So I'm going to use this the USB hub, both keyboard and mouse connected. I'll connect this right here. The mouse is working now. Now let's select the Wi-Fi network. And now we are connecting to the Wi-Fi. Yeah, good. I'm going to go with the full versions. We are going to install this. The OS is installed successfully. Yeah, so this is our desktop. So let's see how the browser works. Alright, so we are in the Raspberry Pi 4 OS. Alright, looks like we are all done with the setup. Thanks for watching.